Welcome guys. So in this video we are going to see that how can we use function a function to get the summation of some maximum numbers. So like if we have a situation in which we want the summation of top 5 or top 4 from given n number of marks, how can we do that? So suppose like we have a student John and he has done 6 quizzes, and now we want the top 4 quiz and we want the sum of them. So if you have so many students and you have so many quizzes and you have to get the sum of top 5 or top 6 from that, how can you do that? So here is an example. I am taking only 6 quizzes and I am saying that I only want the summation of top 4 quiz. So how can I do that? Suppose on get in quiz 1 3 marks out of 10, for quiz 2 it 5, quiz 3 is 9, quiz 4 4, quiz 5 8, and quiz 6 3. So what we want sum of best 4. We want sum of best 4. So you can see like best 4 are 9, 8, 5 and 4. So you can directly compute it, but if you have so many students here, so you are not going to compute for all of them. So you will make a formula, and for this you have to write first of all sum. Now we want largest value, so you write large and then bracket, and then we want from column from cell C38 to like from these values we want. So you will write this formula in this way, and then you will put a comma and curly bracket. Now we want best 4, so we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, and then bracket over, and then complete the formula. Click enter, it will give you the sum of the best 4 values. So if you have any other student here, let's say RG, it got 6 0 8 6 0 3. So you will just drag it here and you will got the best 4 summation. So in this way you will get, if you drag it, you will get for whole students have many. So in this way you can get the sum of. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.